if you would like, and let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so I'm not really getting anything intuitively, okay, but at the bottom we have perception number two, portals, possibilities, options. I heard something about you have to see it to believe it, you have to feel it to understand it. Let's see. So, Virgo, what I'm getting here is that there is a union here. Now, this could be your connection or the connection that you have with another person here. It could be someone who has a Venus, Mercury, and a water sign. Maybe you do. Venus, Mercury, and an earth sign. Okay. But it seems as though you share love languages here. Okay. Or a love language with someone in particular, or maybe a multitude. Okay. This could be a community that you're a part of, maybe a community that you, Virgo, created. Okay. This could simply be family. Okay. The family that you are a part of. Interesting that we're going back down to perception number one here. Okay. Linear sequencing, hierarchy, time, logic. Okay. So I'm getting something about a projector, projecting a sequence of events here. Hmm. We have the Rainbow Bridge. Interesting. We have do the intensity of your emotions match the situation. And what do we have at the bottom? Okay. And we have Citadel. Yeah, okay, so this is what's being built here. Hmm. I am getting a sense of feeling overwhelmed or being overwhelmed here, so this could be a little bit of anxiety coming. All right. There is some anxiety here because I'm getting every nuance. Okay, it's like every detail, every nuance of the detail. Okay, every single implication that has been installed in order to form something here is causing a sense of feeling overwhelmed. Okay, so kind of like anxiety just a tad bit here, because it could be taking on the consideration of every single being or every single entity, okay, that is used to create something here. All right. Um, Interesting. What was at the bottom? Yeah, we have monster at the bottom. Hmm. What is it going into, Virgo? What is it going into? Okay, so we have the Queen of Swords at the bottom here. Okay. Some of you could be accountants. All right. Or again, like I said, you're taking into account the well-being of every uh, entity that has been installed within a certain structure. Okay. So it's like an accountant, a treasurer, or now there could be some legalities to this. Okay, Virgo, I'm doing your reading early. Okay, so it seems as though something's technical within your reading, but then it can also be taken into, or it could be looked at in a spiritual context here. Okay, which we might get to as we progress. Okay, what else do we have for Virgo, please? There we go. There's the monster, the devil. All right, Virgo, you're a monster. Okay, or you're working with a monster here. Okay, because we have your energy at the bottom, the King of Pentacles overall. Okay, so you could definitely be working with another earth sign here. Okay, there might be something that's influencing you, okay, on the outside, kind of like pulling something from out of you. Okay, a creature, or maybe something from out of the abyss. But let's see, Six of Wands, we have Knight of Wands. Okay, that's fire energy at the bottom, and then the Chariot at the end, which is progression. Okay, choosing how you will progress. Okay, moving forward. All right. A lot of this might be encouragement or motivation from the audience or the crowd. Okay, because there is the energy of being um, inspired to do something, okay, to move forward in something here, okay? So a lot of you could be tapping into something here, okay? Just because you're a part of something, just know it's based off your design, okay? And I'm getting it's been manifested tenfold. All right, so something is large or something's big or something has been enlarged here. Something has been intricately thought out, okay, prepared, okay. That's why the establishment is here, okay, perfected. Only you can see that, Virgo, because that is your energy, okay, the energy of perfectionism. So whatever is causing you a sense of anxiety, it seems as though you're carrying that alone or you're bearing that alone. So no one truly understands it or gets it. But there is another power that has been embedded into you by the crowd, by the audience, that's encouraging um, this other side of you to come out, that supersedes whatever low frequency you were in the beginning. Okay, so you are the monster here. You are the beast. I remember I did a reading for you. Okay, I believe it was called Decode. Okay, the seed of the beast. So this could be another part to that here. Okay, all you really have to do is, yeah, we have the Ace of Swords. Okay, all you have to do is just type in the search, the Awakened Vizion, Virgo, Decode, and it should pop up for you. but something could be a big investment here, or it was a large investment. All right, some of you could be investors. All right, that's another part of your DNA that you've tapped into. I'm also getting something, Virgo, about the spirit being behind you. I'm getting you're feeling like heat rush past you. What's the Page of Wands here? 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, that's crazy here. It's crazy because this is like activating something here. We have Lord of Wealth. Okay, there's power in the DNA. What's the Knight of Wands here, please? There is power in the DNA. Something's coming to you like in the multitudes, or it's like a multitude here. Yeah, transformation. Okay, rebirth, Ace of Wands. Okay, a clearing of the way. Okay, so the way is about to be cleared for you. Okay, or there's a Sagittarius, Scorpio. It could be a Scorpio Sagittarius cusp, but that's about to clear the way for you here. Okay, we have the Four of Cups. So this is kind of like tasting the fruits of your labor. All right. So it seems as though you're about to taste the fruits of your labor. Okay, also there's a date here. All right, so it seems as though you're setting a date or you're going on a date with someone here. There's a lot of passion. There's a high sex drive here. Okay, yeah, the moon. Okay, and a lot of emotions. Okay, that's been buried or hidden, or something's being subtracted, evaded. So there was like an evasion of emotions or something like that. So this could be a part. What's the devil energy here? Queen of Cups. Yeah, there's the Queen of Cups there. Okay, the water sign. Okay, Ten of Swords. This is what was providing the anxiety. It was kind of like all work and no love or something, Virgo. You weren't receiving love, okay? Or you were bound to a toxic kind of love, okay, or view here as to what love is for you. So this is kind of like what's bringing in that sense of anxiety here, 1010, but something is about to be over, okay? Something is over for you, okay? This period is about to be over because there's a lot of encouragement coming in, okay? Motivation, okay? Taking the lead or others wanting you to take the lead because they trust in you, they believe in you. They believe you have the ability to. Okay, but again, like something needed to be subtracted from the equation. Eight of Pentacles, yeah, it could be involving work. Okay, this is kind of like mastery. Okay, over the level. Some of you could be mentors here, mentorship. Okay, or you're providing a mentorship program that's life changing, life altering, or you're becoming a part of one. Okay, um, it's kind of like one of those programs that instill into each individual um, person or being a way to um, prompt activation or a way to get up and move, to get up and get out of a certain situation, get out of a bind, or self-imprisonment or self-entrapment. Okay, it's something about that. Or this is what's happening for you here. Okay, what do we have for the chariot, please? In the next few. Princess of Cups. Yeah, all right, that young kind of love, the High Priestess, that young kind of love. Yeah, because I'm getting something about the chemistry. There's something about the chemistry that's here. Let me just see how much time do we have. What's this right here, please? We have the Nine of Cups. The Nine of Cups. Yeah, just because you have the ability to do something, don't mean that you have to do it all the time, is what I'm getting. Okay, yeah, we have the Ace of Cups because something will be tarnished. The love that's being given, the love that's being shown will be tarnished. Okay, also your view on something. Okay, the Tower. Okay, but again, like I said, something's being broken down into bits so that it is digestible, it's comprehensible. It also seems to be taking an effect on your health, which will start to become so much better for you. It's what I'm getting. So much better. Yeah, so this is also coming from off of the last energy update that I did for you. What's the death right here, please? Seven of Cups. Yeah, you're going through a spiritual awakening, okay? Because you're remembering things that are not so pleasant here. All right. You're going through a spiritual awakening and you're remembering things that are not so pleasant. So it could be a tad difficult to sleep because it seems as though maybe that's when your activations are happening. Okay, mostly at nights or when you're trying to sleep, when you're trying to rest, or it seems to be happening at nights here. Okay, what's the Princess of Cups, please? But we have Three of Cups, dancing in the rain. Okay, and then we have the Chariot at the bottom. The Chariot is right there. Okay, and then we have the Four of Swords. Yeah, nice. So Cancer, Libra energy. This is about Libra is about kind of like, associations, agreements, okay, um, mitigations and mediations and Cancerian feeling safe, okay, secured, okay. And so that's kind of like what's about to happen, okay? Because I do see kind of like a lock and a key, okay, which is ensuring privacy or safety here. This is at least how you're going to feel, and it's going to calm you down just a tad bit, okay, in regards to these episodes that were going on prior, right here. So not exactly sure what you were going through, Virgo. For some of you, it could be more severe than others. Okay. But it seems as though maybe you spoke about it. You spoke about it, um, expecting others to understand what it is that you were saying. All right. To a degree, they did. Okay. So there's kind of like a positive force here. Okay. That's actually working for you amongst this whole big group or this whole big fellowship or whatever it is. There's a positive influence here. Yeah, we have 6 discernment. That is your energy. Energy of discernment. Okay, opposite of Pisces. 36 grounding. Okay, so we have 369 here. Okay, so 3. Yeah, because we have a 333. Okay, 6, which makes your number again. Okay, so your house is highly important. Okay, we need you to be able to discern. Okay, um, I'm getting prejudge or prejudice. We need you to be prejudiced or to show the true meaning of prejudice here, being prejudiced. Interesting. Virgo, we need you to be predu. Okay, and then we have grounding coming out again. Yes, so something's coming in that's grounding you. Okay, because there is a burden. Okay, you're carrying a burden. Okay. Just because you have the ability, again, like I said, does not necessarily mean that you have to. Okay, because we have an ant, okay, with a leaf, just like an ant carrying a leaf. Where are you bringing that? Why are you carrying a leaf? What is it? How is it going to benefit, you? How will it benefit the all? Just because you have the ability to do it. If it's more than necessary, then you can just drop it right now. All right. So I'll leave it right there. I appreciate you all for tuning in to the reading. It was a little longer, okay, but that's totally fine. Whatever had to come out needed to come out for you. If you enjoyed the reading, definitely give it a like, comment. Let me know how you resonated with it, if you did, or if you just enjoyed it. Be on the lookout for further energy updates. Love if you become a part of the family by clicking on subscribe, all notifications, so that you're reminded when I do release those energy updates. I will be talking to you then, but until then, stay tuned.